you wondering about the fuse box diagram and location for the 2022 GMC Canyon? The fuse box is essential for managing your vehicle's electrical systems, with locations in the engine compartment and cabin, making it easy to identify and replace fuses when needed. Engine compartment fuse block. The 2022 GMC Canyon does not include a dedicated rear compartment fuse block. Its electrical systems are managed through the fuse blocks located in the engine compartment and the instrument panel, ensuring efficient control of key vehicle functions. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2022 GMC Canyon features a compact and organized design with clearly labeled fuses for interior electrical components like the infotainment system, power windows, and interior lighting. It allows for easy access and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.